Hello and welcome to Edupedia World, the one-stop shop for all your learning needs. Today's Hindi session is going to talk about when. When? Kab. When also means whenever you say jab tum kaho, jab, right? And the other way of using when is since till when. Right? Examples will make the point very clear. When you are asking a question, when? Kab? A simple question, right? When will you come? Tum kab aoge if it is a boy or a man. And if I'm talking to a lady or a girl, tum kab aogi? Right? When will you come? When will you return? Or when will you come? Tum kab aoge? Kab, right? When? Tum kab aoge? Or tum kab aogi? Then, directly using when as it is, kab. Tumhari pariksha kab khatam ho rahi hai? When are your exams getting over? When? When? तुम्हारी परीक्षा exams here कब खत्म हो रही है? खत्म होना is to end, to get over. So when I say तुम्हारी परीक्षा कब खत्म हो रही है, when are your exams getting over? Now here pariksha is gender wise, it is feminine, so you will be saying कब खत्म हो रही है. So irrespective of whether I'm talking to a boy or I'm talking to a girl, pariksha being feminine, I will be saying तुम्हारी परीक्षा कब खत्म हो रही है? Okay? And when will you come? Now when you're addressing a boy, तुम कब आओगे? And if I'm addressing a girl, तुम कब आओगी? So this is simple when. Again, let's take a look at few more examples. When do you go to bed? तुम कब सोने जाते हो? If I'm talking to a boy. If I have to talk to a girl, तुम कब सोने जाती हो? Sona is to sleep, right? So कब, when? When do you go to bed? तुम कब सोने जाते हो? और तुम कब सोने जाती हो? Then आप इस बीमारी से कब ठीक हो जाओगे? Maybe I'm talking to an elderly person. So I'm asking कब, when? When will you get rid of this illness? बीमारी, illness or disease. Okay? आप, you, with respect, आप इस बीमारी से, this illness, कब ठीक हो जाओगे? कब, when will you get better? कब ठीक होना is to get better. So in short, I'm asking when will you get rid of this illness, or when will you get fine completely? So आप इस बीमारी से कब ठीक हो जाओगे? Then let's take a look at jab, when. Okay? Jab is another way of saying when. जब तक है जान तब तक देश की सेवा करूंगा. जब तक है जान. So till when or till the time there is life. जब तक, till then, till when. जब तक है जान, till when there is life, till the time there is life, till the time I'm alive. तब तक, till then, देश की सेवा करूंगा. Till then I will serve the country. So जब तक है जान, जान is life. जब तक है जान तब तक देश की सेवा करूंगा. Till then I will serve the country. सेवा करना, to serve. देश, country. If I'm a woman talking, or if I'm a woman declaring, I will say, जब तक है जान तब तक देश की सेवा करूंगी. Okay? Then, जब आपने पहली बार मोबाइल फोन का प्रयोग किया तब आपको कैसा लगा? जब when आपने when you पहली बार first time मोबाइल फोन का प्रयोग means to use, प्रयोग करना means to use, make use of. So जब आपने पहली बार मोबाइल फोन का प्रयोग किया, when you used the cell phone for the first time, तब आपको कैसा लगा? How did you find it? How did you feel? तब आपको कैसा लगा? How did you feel? How did you find it? जब आपने पहली बार, when you use the mobile phone for the first time, when you use the cell phone for the first time, use प्रयोग करना. ठीक है, प्रयोग करना, प्रयोग किया. जब आपने पहली बार मोबाइल फोन का प्रयोग किया तब आपको कैसा लगा? How did you find it? How did you feel? Let's repeat these two sentences. जब तक है जान तब तक देश की सेवा करूंगा. I will serve my country till the end. जब आपने पहली बार मोबाइल फोन का प्रयोग किया तब आपको कैसा लगा? When you use the cell phone for the first time, when जब आपने, when you use the phone for the first time, how did you feel? How did you find it? Okay? Now, कब. We have seen कब as simply when. कब आप सोने जाते हो, right? When do you go to bed? Here, कब also stands for since. आप यहाँ कब से रह रहे हो? Since when or since how long have you been staying here? आप, you, यहाँ, here, कब से, since when. रह रहे हो, रहना is to stay. रहना is to stay. So, आप यहाँ कब से रह रहे हो? Since how long or since when have you been staying here? So here, कब takes the form of since. Since when, not only when, right? वह कब की बाजार गई थी फिर भी नहीं लौटी. वह, somebody that we are talking about. Now, फिर भी नहीं लौटी. लौटना is to return, to come back. Now, लौटी means it stands for a girl. फिर भी नहीं लौटा stands for a boy, right? So that makes it clear that we are referring to some girls, to a girl. वह कब की बाजार गई थी. Again, गई थी. Had it been a boy, we would have said वह कब का बाजार गया था, right? So वह कब की बाजार गई थी फिर भी नहीं लौटी means it's been quite some time since she had gone to the market. However, she has not yet returned. फिर भी, still. However, still, she has not yet returned. So, कब, since it's been quite some time since she had gone to the market. वह कब की बाजार गई थी फिर भी नहीं लौटी. If I have to reframe the sentence for a boy, it would be वह कब का बाजार गया था फिर भी नहीं लौटा. So in these examples, you use the word कब, which is originally referred to for when. Here it is referred to as since. Okay? आप यहाँ कब से रह रहे हो? Since how long or since when have you been staying here? And वह कब की बाजार गई थी फिर भी नहीं लौटी. Then, since, till when also stands for कब. Since when have I been waiting for you? Now, if I'm a girl, I will say मैं कब से तुम्हारी राह देख रही हूँ. Since when have I been waiting for you? If I'm a boy waiting for somebody, I will say मैं कब से तुम्हारी राह देख रहा हूं. Rahi turns to raha. Okay? So, since when have I been waiting for you? मैं कब से तुम्हारी राह देख रहा हूं और देख रही हूं. Here, कब से, since when, right? Since how long have I been waiting for you? Okay? Here, कब stands for since when. Then, मुझे कब तक तुम्हारा इंतजार करना पड़ेगा. Till when, कब तक. Till when should I wait for you? मुझे कब तक तुम्हारा, your, इंतजार. इंतजार is wait. करना पड़ेगा. इंतजार करना to wait. Till when should I wait for you? मुझे कब तक तुम्हारा इंतजार करना पड़ेगा. Here also, कब तक. Till when. Right? So, both have a similar context. Since when have I been waiting for you? मैं कब से तुम्हारी राह देख रही हूँ. राह देखना is also इंतजार करना. Okay? And मुझे कब तक तुम्हारा इंतजार करना पड़ेगा. Till when should I be waiting for you? Or till when should I wait for you? And whenever, जब. Okay? This is a slight extension of when, जब भारी वर्षा होती है तब फसल नष्ट होती है. जब whenever भारी वर्षा, remember heavy rains, होती है. Whenever it rains heavily, तब every time, तब the crops get destroyed. The crops are, फसल is crops. नष्ट होना means to get destroyed. Okay? Whenever it rains heavily, the crops are destroyed. जब भारी वर्षा होती है तब फसल नष्ट होती है. Whenever it rains heavily, the crops get or are destroyed. Then, जब तुम मुझ पे वार करोगे, जब whenever तुम, you, मुझ पे, on me, वार करना is to attack. जब तुम मुझ पे वार करोगे तब मेरा हौसला और बढ़ता जाएगा. Whenever you attack me, मेरा हौसला is my courage. और बढ़ता जाएगा will increase. My courage will increase. In short, I will become more courageous. Right? Maybe somebody is telling his or her assaulter or attacker, whenever you attack me, जब तुम मुझ पे वार करोगे तब मेरा हौसला और बढ़ता जाएगा. तब every time I will become more courageous. Whenever you attack me, I will come out more courageous. I will become more courageous. तब मेरा हौसला, my strength or my courage will go on increasing, बढ़ता जाएगा. और I will, simply put, I will become more courageous. Okay? Whenever, जब, usually followed by तब. Right? And lastly, जब चाहो तब. This is a slight variation. जब चाहो तब. Whenever you want. Whenever. तुम जब चाहो तब आ सकती हो. मेरे घर के दरवाजे हमेशा तुम्हारे लिए खुले हैं. तुम, you, जब चाहो तब. Whenever you want, you may come. You may come whenever you want or whenever you may like. तुम जब चाहो तब आ सकती हो. If I'm telling a boy, तुम जब चाहो तब आ सकते हो. मेरे घर के दरवाजे. मेरे घर के दरवाजे, the doors of my house, are हमेशा, always, तुम्हारे लिए, for you, खुले हैं. खुलना is to open. खुले हैं, to stay open. The doors, in literal translation would be, the doors of my house are always open for you. So whenever you come, You may come whenever you may like. तुम जब चाहे तब आ सकती हो और तुम जब चाहो तब आ सकते हो. You may come whenever you like or whenever you want. मेरे घर के दरवाजे, the doors of my house are always, हमेशा, always तुम्हारे लिए खुले हैं, are always open for you. In short, you're always welcome. Okay? So, keep revising the variations of when. जब, कब, जब, तब, जब कभी, जब चाहो तब और जब चाहे तब. Okay? Hope you enjoyed the video today. Thank you. धन्यवाद.